Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado chapati step by step. Start by peeling and mashing one ripe avocado, then measure 2 cups of whole wheat flour and a pinch of salt. Combine the avocado with warm water slowly while mixing to form a soft but not sticky dough. Rest the dough covered for 10 minutes, then divide into equal balls and roll gently for even cooking. Gather ingredients before you begin so the process stays smooth and relaxed. Have 1 ripe avocado, 2 cups of whole wheat flour, salt, olive oil, and warm water ready. Optionals like lemon juice or cilantro add brightness but are not required. Use a fork to mash the avocado until mostly smooth and free of large lumps. This helps it incorporate evenly into the dough for consistent texture. Warm a heavy skillet over medium heat while you shape the chapati. Roll each dough ball to roughly 6 inches across and dust with flour to prevent sticking. Place the rolled chapati on the hot skillet and watch for brown spots to form, then flip once and cook the other side until puffed and lightly charred. Keep them covered in a cloth to stay soft and serve warm with your favorite accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.